In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable spell check on Notion 5 minutes. If those red squiggly underlines keep pulling your attention while you write in Notion, you can turn them off quickly. I'll walk you through how it works in the Notion desktop app and what to do if you're using Notion in a web browser. Start by signing in to your Notion workspace, the same way you always do. Once you're in, open any page where you can see a word underlined in red. That underline is Notion's spell check at work, flagging something it thinks is misspelled. It's useful for catching typos, but it can be distracting when you're working with names, technical terms, or creative writing. Next, move your mouse over the underlined word and right-click it. A context menu will pop up with spelling suggestions. In that same menu, look for the option that says Disable Spell Check. Click it, and Notion will turn off spell checking. Depending on what the menu shows, you can disable it for that single word or turn it off more broadly. Choose what fits your workflow. If you disable it globally, the red underlines will disappear across your Notion pages in the desktop app. A quick reminder here, this context menu option is available in the Notion desktop app. If you're using Notion in a browser, the spelling underlines come from your browser, not Notion itself, so the toggle lives in your browser settings. If you're on the web, open your browser's settings. Every browser's layout looks a little different, but the option you need is typically under languages or a similar section. Navigate to the languages area, then find the spell check setting, switch it off, and those red underlines will stop appearing in Notion and anywhere else you type in that browser. Keep in mind, turning it off at the browser level affects all websites, not just Notion. You can always come back and turn it on again, the same way if you miss the automatic catch for typos. That's all there is to it. In the desktop app, right-click an underlined word and choose Disable Spell Check. In a browser, head to Settings, go to Languages, and toggle off spell check there. Changes usually apply right away, and you can reverse them anytime if your needs change. Thanks for watching. If this helped streamline your writing in Notion, feel free to follow along for more quick practical tips.